morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our maths online class. Let's start it. Words come before. Two से पहले क्या आता है? Two से पहले क्या आता है? One. So we have to write here one. Words come before four. Three. We have to write here three. Which number is this? 6. What comes before 6? 5. We have to write here 5. Which number is this? 8. What comes before 8? 7. Which number is this? 1, 0, 10. So we have to write here 9. Which number is this? 1, 2, 12. So we have to write here 1, 1, 11. Which number is this? 1, 4, 14. What's come before 14? 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? 1, 6, 16. So we have to write here 1, 5, 15. Which number is this? 1, 8, 18. So we have to write here 1,